elephant. And so this is how we're going to do it. We're going to put our hands on our head and we're going to say L. So they do it. L. Elephant. Elephant. How are we going to spell it? L-E-L. E. Font. Sounds like it should be F, but it's P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Other words that start L-A, you can think of elementary school. And then font, the PH sounding like F, think of pharmacy. And think of your iPhone. And so that's how I would introduce a word that, might be a longer word, and I want them to feel comfortable with it.